It's almost too good to be true, and yet it is true. Leaves of a tree which can almost grow anywhere are a solution to hunger and malnutrition. Here it is, actually a bomb of nutrients. Wonder what these leaves are? You're familiar with drumstick. Yes, these are drumstick leaves. The scientific name of drumstick tree is Moringa oleifera, and coincidentally in Tamil drumsticks are called Murungai. Moringa, Murungai. So did Moringa originate from Murungai? Namaskarams and welcome back to Munch and Mull. So let's see what's so wonderful about these Moringa leaves and how can we bring it back into our lives. Drumstick trees are very commonly found in India, and especially they are extremely drought tolerant and fast growing, and I'm sure you'll find them in your neighborhood. And if you don't find them, the next thing to do is to plant them in your neighborhood or in your backyard garden. And it's best to use Moringa leaves fresh, and if that's not possible, then the solution is to buy Moringa powder, which is easily available in the market. And this powder you could start including on a daily basis. You could also think of adding the Moringa powder in dal, vegetables, or even mix it with your chapati dough to actually gain the benefit of all the nutrients that these leaves offer. When we generally think of green leafy vegetables, the first thing that strikes our mind is spinach. But do you know that drumstick leaves have 25 times more iron than spinach? The Hunger Project, which is an international NGO, they have used Moringa or drumstick leaves to combat malnutrition in Africa. Research papers are also showing that Moringa leaves are a herbal gold to combat malnutrition. Today we are going to be making two recipes with Muringakirai or drumstick leaves. The first one is drumstick leaf soup, and the second recipe is drumstick leaf dosa, or it's also called Muringakirai adai. Now removing the Moringa leaves is a slightly time consuming process, but it could be made into a lovely family time together by involving all the family members into this. Alternatively, there is a quick method to remove the leaves. I'll just show you. Here I have a damp towel. So I am going to just roll the leaves into this damp towel and keep it overnight. And we should take care that we do not keep the leaves in the damp towel for more than 24 hours. Otherwise, the leaves tend to become yellow. I'm just opening the cloth now. And I'm just shaking it. Here. See, it's so easy to remove the leaves. After shaking the bunch, the few leaves that are remaining could be taken out by our hand. Just see how simple it is to remove these leaves. So now let's look at the ingredients for the Muringakirai soup or drumstick leaf soup. I have taken 1 cup of washed fresh drumstick leaves, 1 medium sized tomato, half a teaspoon of peppercorns, small piece of cinnamon, salt and turmeric powder. So let's start making the Muringakirai soup. So I'm adding 1 glass of water. We will boil the Moringa leaves, and I've chopped 1 tomato into 2 halves. Let's add the cinnamon, peppercorns, turmeric and salt. We'll just boil this for about 5 minutes and then we will grind it. So now we have boiled this for about 5 minutes. So I'm switching off the gas. Let it cool completely and then we will grind this. So now let's grind this Moringa leaves, tomato and the spices. Here. Now we have ground this mixture and I will pour it back into this water in which we had boiled the Moringa leaves. Add some more water. We've actually used about 2 glasses of water, 1 glass of water for boiling, and now I've added almost a glass, and we'll boil this and our soup is ready. But I prefer not to strain it because we lose out on the fiber. So here our Muringakirai soup or drumstick leaf soup is ready to be had. It's no surprise that scientists are calling moringa a herbal gold. It's almost a believe it or not. Check this out. It has 4 times the vitamin A in carrots and 13 times of spinach, 25 times more iron than spinach, 4 times more calcium than milk, which means 25% more than even ragi, 36 times more magnesium than eggs, 63 times more potassium than milk, which means 3 times more than even bananas, 2 times more protein than milk. It almost seems too good to be true. Now let's look at the ingredients to make the Verumarshi adai with Muringai elai. I have soaked about 1.5 cups of parboiled Uma red rice variety. You could use raw rice or any rice of your choice. And of course we have washed the drumstick leaves. The quantity is, there's no proportion to this. You can use as much leaves as you want. And we will be grinding the rice and about 1 small cup of fresh grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of soaked fenugreek seeds. It gives a softer texture to the adai. Adai is basically thicker than dosa. Okay. And sesame oil, you could use any oil of your choice to make the dosa, and salt to taste. Here is a batter of the soaked rice, coconut and fenugreek, and I have added salt, and you can add water to get the correct consistency. And now we will add the washed Muringai Keerai or drumstick leaves. So here a batter for the Verumarshi adai is ready. Spread the oil first. So now I am just dipping my hands in water and taking the batter. And now let's sprinkle some water and spread this. Let's put the oil. So here our Muringai Keerai adai or drumstick leaf dosa is ready. This could be had with sambar, chutney, or it goes extremely well with butter. The benefits of moringa don't seem to end. Moringa leaves have antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties and can protect the liver from damage due to toxins. Antioxidants in moringa protect the heart from both low and high blood pressure. The antioxidants are also beneficial in case of epilepsy, lowers blood sugar, increases urination and can prevent and reduce kidney stones. They have anti-ulcer and wound healing, pain killing properties also. Is it a surprise that moringa is called a herbal gold? Seeing the wonderful health benefits of these drumstick leaves, should we not consider including them more frequently in our diet as compared to spinach leaves? And secondly, especially to combat anemia, this is the best solution instead of consuming iron pills. So are you ready to scout for drumstick trees in your neighborhood during your morning and evening walk? Leave your comments below.